Model, 2012 Vauxhall Vivaro PRIMASTAR TRAFIC 27002.0 CDTI 115 PS long wheelbase, Combi EU5 very low miles ULEZ compliant open mouth smile auto bargain MOTED with ramp. Body, grey, minibus. Mileage, 73,361. MOT, 13 February 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 PS EUR05. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, part service history, electric windows, air con.